when the football starts in August and is quickly interrupted by international windows in September and October. It's pretty annoying, but November's friendly matches are even worse. Now those will be a thing of the past because of the UEFA Nations League. England's draw with Spain and Croatia puts them in genuine danger of relegation. There's 4 divisions made up of 4 groups each. England are in the top division, where they'll be groups of 3 with the top side in each group going into semi-finals and the bottom-placed sides getting relegated. Four places will be left open from qualifying with the top team in each group going into playoffs. Should that include a team that's already qualified, then the place will go to the next highest ranking team, not next team in their group. That will mean a playoff coming from each division and the winner of each playoff qualifying for Euro 2020, and thus one of Azerbaijan, Macedonia, Belarus, Georgia, Armenia, Latvia, Faroe Islands, Luxembourg, Kazakhstan, Moldova, Liechtenstein, Malta, Andorra, Kosovo, San Marino or Gibraltar qualifying. So some teams could decide that finishing top of their group in the Nations League is more important than Euro 2020 qualifiers and an easier route, and